Hello, everyone. Hi. Welcome to the Hall of Fame interview. And this time I have Mr. Ajay Reddy with me. Ajay is working as a senior consultant in Capgemini, and he has a wonderful IT experience, work experience, and all. So, welcome, Ajay, in this program, Hall of Fame. And you are a signing star because you have got a much better offer just after completing the program itself. So, for our audience, can we have just a quick introduction from you?
Yes, Manoj. So as you mentioned, I am Ajay Reddy Pulikanta and working as a senior consultant from Capgemini. Totally, I have 7.5 years of experience in this IT journey. And coming to the course which I have learned, that is a Data Science Foundation. So in these 3 months of duration, I have improved my technical skills as a part of data science and also improved my soft skills, like how to improve ourselves. Even though you are good, you are sound or solid at technical, if you present it to another client to get a better opportunity for a career growth. So those are the main skills I have learned here. And coming to in detail, what I have learned other than the data science, that is a Python, creating the project, collab, everything. The main soft skills I have learned, like first thing is the technical skills, that is like negotiation, resume building. So how, if you got a good salary, how to negotiate it to another company. So that is the negotiation skills and resume building. So all the companies are, even if you purchase something from the LinkedIn, you can get the resume. But out of the crowd, how to be in a top of the top 10 instead of what was it, rejecting by the robot, how you can showcase your resume to the human. So that is the one more main thing I have learned in this course of 3 months of duration.
Wonderful.
Like resume building. And one more main thing is, even though you have a good resume, okay, and how to improve your SSI index, that is a sales index in the LinkedIn. So nowadays, most of the people, they are using the LinkedIn. So how to improve the SSI index? So all of these things you have to improve professionally along with the technical skills. So coming to the soft skills, what I have discussed now, I have learned in this session. Coming to the technical skills, if any work it has completed in the yesterday, so they will provide some assignment to us. Okay, in the next day we have to showcase the assignment what we have worked it, so that it will improve the content wise the self-confidence. If you have any queries, those things also we can improve these duration. So these are the things we have learned. That is, I have learned in these 3 months of duration, both technically as well as soft skills.
Excellent.
And within these 3 months, I have got 50% of hike. And currently I'm in notice period. So in the next 2 to 3 months of span, I will increase my salary.
Wonderful. And congratulations again for a wonderful journey you have. So overall, as he's mentioning that he has around 7 years of experience and currently working as a senior consultant. And he was part of my program, Data Science Foundation program. And after completing 3 months, he has got a very good break. In fact, the idea was that like within 90 to 180 days, once you complete the program, you should be able to get a very good data science role out there. So again, he was coming out with a very flying color, and it's still like working as a senior consultant. He got a very good job into TCS, Tata Consulting Service, and he was able to grab almost 50% hike out of this. And again, the journey is not stopping here. Journey, it is like a start of the things. Now the thing is that from 8 to 18 data the journey, and from there he is planning to take it to the next level and maybe trying out with Amazon or Microsoft or say Google, the world of Google, like that, right, for data science position. And then he should be able to get much better options as well. So I mean, okay, so just to let the others know, you had joined my master program and after that you had joined the 3 months program of the Data Science Foundation, and then you had opted for the job opportunity, and then you have cracked the job into TCS. So what happened during this 3 months time that you want to highlight? Like, how was the program? What did you feel about the program? How this helped you to grow further?
The main thing is most of the content you can get it in outside. So now it is the internet era. Everything you can get it in outside, YouTube, some other portals, they are providing it. But how to grab the opportunity, even though we have a plenty of content which is available in Google or something, right? So what are the things needed for a experienced employee? So instead of learning the entire thing, if you are not showcasing it to any other company, or if you want to increase your career growth either by salary or based on the different projects, it's no use. So in these 3 months of span, whatever the content it is needed as per our experience. So for example, currently I'm having 7 years of experience. If I learn only with the coding of any Python, only learning the Python coding. So as per my experience, I have to know the end-to-end project handling by knowing the any language. So that is the main thing I have learned in this session.
Excellent, excellent. So coming to your interview part of this, right, with TCS. So how many round of interview you've had, and how was the final one? Like how was the interview process?
So totally 3 rounds it has. So initial round, that is a screening round itself. They have asked some scenario-based questions, 2 to 3 scenario-based questions. Then later it's a technical round. It's around 30 minutes of technical round. During the technical round, I think they have asked around 6 questions. Okay. So out of those 6 questions, I believe I have, I think 70 to 80% only I have asked. I think 1 or 2 questions I have left. And during the managerial round, they just asked how you can handle the end-to-end process and what are the documentation you will provide and how you can convert the POC to the project. So those kind of thing. And how, if your project given to you solo, can you handle it? Those kind of experience-based questions and how can you manage the project. And the last round is just a salary negotiation with our HR.
Okay, that's awesome. So in fact, like just to reiterate for everyone, what is your current salary and how much you are able to extend this thing further?
So my current company, I'm holding, so I'm having a 12.5 LPA and holding 18 LPA right now. Okay, so in the next 19 days of notice period, or less than 90 days, so we can increase the current holding, that is 18 LPA. So I am thinking to increase it to minimum 25 LPA.
Okay, wonderful. So in net, what Ajay is saying that his current salary was 12 LPA, 12 lakh per annum. And then he got the offer after completing my from Rethink Career Hub Data Science Foundation program. He got an offer from Tata Consultancy TCS with 18 LPA. And now he is serving the notice period and 90 days of notice period. And then during this interval also, he is not just keeping mum or silent. He's also exploring some other opportunity in parallel. And now the thought is that it should not stop at 18 LPA. It should go to 25 LPA or above, or say 30 LPA. So that way it will be like 2x or 3x jump from his current salary. I wish you all the best, Ajay. Like you deserve this. Okay, it is nothing like company is giving you. Yes, you deserve it, then only company is giving you. So yes. It is great opportunity, and my best wishes for your career growth and skyrocketing things. And I am very sure that you should be able to grab even 30 LPA plus, with your level of interest and level of dedication you have in the program. And any final suggestion or recommendation from your side to the audience, those who are listening to this on YouTube or other social media channel, what would be your recommendation about the program, how this helped you and how this is going to help them?
Sure, Manoj. Thank you for letting me know. Hope for the best to increase the salary hike.
Absolutely.
And coming to the last sentence, I will provide to everyone. In these 3 months of duration, so we have plenty of the companies. They are also like institutions. They are providing multiple content, and some of the institutions they are providing 6 months, 1 year for the same data science. So as an experienced employee, so we should have to know what are the content required to us to move from our current domain to data science domain. So those things mainly you can learn from here. Okay. And instead of learning everything, even though if you learn everything from other institutions, but main thing is how to get a good salary and move from our current domain to data science. And as you know, data science is a next era, so everything revolve the data. So that is the main thing. The technology is the latest one, but how to get an opportunity within the 3 months duration as per your skill, and also improve the technically as well as soft skills in this duration.
Excellent, awesome, and great thing. So in nutshell, you are trying to say that okay, this is the program that is giving you the all the right context, the right ammunition, so that you are well prepared, and then you can take your career journey into data science, and then your growth, your opportunity, and your salary hike, everything depends on this.
Yes.
Excellent. Thanks again, and my best wishes for your next venture and next endeavor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Manoj, and catch you in next sessions.
Sure, sure. Once we cross 25 LP or 30 LP, we'll be having
Yes,
another round of interview, another in Hall of Fame.
Sure, Manoj.
Thank you.